Our trading bot has launched, and the good thing about it is that it's free. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to the Shabab's Botnet installation video. If you haven't seen the preface yet, be sure to check it out as it's part 2 of the video. If you don't know us yet, or if you're not in our Telegram group, feel free to join. You can find the link up here or down in the description. First of all, you need to install Visual Studio. You can do this by using the link visualstudio.com or code.visualstudio.com, or simply by searching in Google. Download it and install it in the usual way, without needing to pay attention to anything special. You'll get the link to the bot in our Telegram group, and when you download it, it's best to first put it in a folder, so create a folder called Shabab's Botnet, drag the bot into it. And if you have Visual Studio Code installed, then we can start with the folders. Here we say log. And in the log folder, we say another folder named bot1. This is very important because if we don't do this, the bot won't work, and this is where all the trades will be saved, which you'll need for evaluation, paperwork, tax returns, for example. So the bot goes into a folder, in this folder where the bot is, even if it's on the desktop. Then the whole thing should be on the desktop because it's in my folder. We'll do the whole thing there once log, and there's the bot folder, so we open the bot. Visual Studio Code is installed, but a few steps are missing, like the Python installation. But we should also be asked right away when opening whether we want to install Python or the German language pack. You can install the German language pack here. I won't do it now. I don't need it right now, and we'll follow the steps here. We go here to Python installation, and every error, everything that doesn't work, should actually be offered to us automatically here. If something doesn't work, feel free to write in the group. We have to wait here. It's still loading. We see the installation, which is currently running. It may take a few more seconds here. So Python is installed. Now, I say run up here and say debugging there. This won't work again. It's asking me now if I trust the file. You must do this, otherwise it won't work. So now here it suggests to me to debug the file, the currently active file. We say yes, and then comes another error message here. Now it complains that we don't have an interpreter. I clicked on it now. Now the window opens again and says, Python is not installed. Please download and install it. We click on it now. Python is actually installed. But this is the interpreter, and it opens it for me now in the Microsoft Store. So, as I said, everything is automatically suggested here. You don't have to do anything. It will probably be harder to find a reasonable strategy for the bot than the installation. This will also take a few seconds, so just because this is an automated system. It's not a wealth system. You won't get rich overnight. You won't make mega profits overnight. The mega profits you make on one or the other day, you won't be able to achieve every day. So, everyone should have this in mind or be aware of it. The whole thing should be installed now. I'll try debugging again now. Now it complains again. Now we go here again, and now we saw that it just loaded, so now we can select the whole thing here. What's it doing now? Does it start now, or do we have to do it again? I think now we can do it again, so now an error should come because we're missing the requests, so it says import requests here. And for that, We'll do this now in the terminal or first on the keyboard Ctrl+C. Then this debugging stops, so to speak, and we're down here in the terminal now. If you don't have the terminal, you can open it with Ctrl, and now we say pip install requests. If you don't have pip, then you have an old Python version. Then you didn't execute all the steps as I did, otherwise you would have pip quasi on it, and then you should be able to install requests here normally. We say start debugging again here, and the bot already opens. The bot looks a bit cut off now. The version is on full HD, because I'm doing the whole thing here on the notebook. So if I have the full HD resolution, that's why the bot is a bit cut off here at the edge. I could still use it, but it wouldn't be nice for the overview here with the trades because the trades are listed down here, but we can also check whether the bot is connected now. If we press here, we already get the price, and now we could test the bot on simulation. Testing on simulation works by removing the simulation here or putting the red on green. Now it's simulation, now it would be real money. Of course, I can't trade real money because my API keys are not yet deposited, and we do all this here in line 16 and 17 in this case. There will always be updates. This is now also quasi the new update from our bot, the first version that has been revised. We have made the whole thing a bit nicer here, added another market buy and market sell order, so that you can trade better actively, especially interesting for day traders. That's it for now for the installation video. In the next video, I will start explaining the individual functions step by step, or the setup, so that we can really start trading with the bot here. Otherwise, I hope you leave me a like. Feel free to comment, it's important for the algorithm, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Peace until next time.